Hey guys, Ray Cox here from Patterson Nissan. Yes, home of the free lifetime warranty. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about today. Every November, we like to give back to a charitable organization or two. And this year, you can help. Okay, we're giving to Grace House and Restored 180. It's two different homes here in Longview, specifically designed to help out some young ladies who have just started off life in the wrong direction, whether it's been some bad luck or abuse or whatever it may be, and we want to help. And we need your help to help them. So what we're going to do is every single vehicle, new or used, that we sell in the month of November, Patterson Nissan, Patterson Truck Stop are going to give $50 to these two great organizations. So come by and see us, help these women. Patterson Nissan, 259 North in Longview, Patterson Truck Stop, 1201 McCann Road in Longview, or online at pattersoncars.com.